15,000 rupees transferred to every school-going child in a house. The scheme applies from first class to intermediate students in our state. The amount will be credited directly mother's account as she is responsible for our studies and success in life. Mainly in this scheme is to support households with school-going children through annual financial conditions. Four-wheeler in family. Current bill should not exceed 300 units. Attendance more than 75%. House should be not less than 1,000 square feet. Use. It provides financial support to family and is useful for poor. Another important aim of this scheme is to make students attend the school regularly. In my view, I hope it will be